Yes, I'm audible.
Yes, sir. I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible. Yes, today how many topic you have prepared for mock?
I revised the top food technology PDF you shared, sir.
Yes, technical part.
Yes, sir.
Yes, first of all, basic introduce yourself.
Sir, I am Madhurya. I am a B.Tech-Food technology graduate from Anna University 2018 batch. And during my FSO preparation, I started liking food regulatory affairs. So I did an executive diploma from IGMPA in food regulatory affairs, sir. In MSME, this IADS job, I would like to contribute my expertise in food regulatory because most of MSMEs are facing regulatory complaints related issues. So I would like to utilize my expertise in that area.
Next one is what the meaning of your name? What the basic history of your name? Mathuria. Can you describe? And how do you
Sir,
feel about it?
here, Madhurya, in my name, Madhu only has a meaning, sir, which means sweetness.
Any antonyms, synonyms in your name?
Sweetness opposite is non-sweet or bitter is antonyms opposite.
Yes, good. Next one, what's your strength and weakness? Any innovative point from your side?
Yes, sir. My strength, I'm good in communicating my thoughts to others. My weakness, sometimes I expect others also to be perfect in all areas, but I'm working on that, sir. Like that, everyone is not same.
Next one point is your hobby. Yes, can you describe your hobby? How to use it in a day, week, month? Reading books, cooking, so many hobbies in your side.
Sir, reading is one of my hobby. I used to read at least 10 pages per day, mostly in my native language, Tamil books. And I used to read at least 2 to 3 books in a month, sir. I cover mostly non-fiction genre.
Other one hobby.
I like to do cooking, sir. It's also one of my hobby. Here now I'm in my lifestyle modification. So I am like to do healthy cooking, like balanced meal preparation, sir. Mostly I do cooking only on dinner. Rest is taken care of my parents. So I will do dinner. In that I will try to have it balanced meal plate comprising complete protein, carbohydrates, and essential fats.
Yes, good. Yes, you have 1.5 year experience in your subject, food industry. Yes, I'm right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, suppose if you will be selected in UPSC as a assistant director in IDS and food technology department. So how will you contribute your experience, knowledge to in your department? Describe.
Sir, okay, sir. During my experience in Hexagon Nutrition Exports Private Limited, I was involved in production planning, sir, which involved my communication skill and computer base and uh, how to convince other departments to work according to our plan, sir. So here in this IADS, our one of the goal is to tell about the schemes to people. So here I will utilize my communication skills. I will make in whatever format the understanding. For example, in rural areas, I will adopt a storytelling method to communicate about the benefits of the scheme and how they can benefit like this.
Any other innovative point from your side?
And I was also involved in handling shop floor members during my tenure in Hexagon Nutrition, sir. So I can understand what people need, and I can also act as a bridge between people and government. I can act as their person to represent what they need to our departments.
Yes, good. Next, move on UPSC. Yes, have you read UPSC topic?
Yes, I read technology.
Basic question. Why you commission director in UPSC and to join? Correct.
Since I'm from rural background, I studied hard and I stayed in one of the teachers institute in our Tamil Nadu. So I wanted to achieve the area. So I gave a set of related exams and other exams. So I want to become a role model for fellow girls in my village. To like if they study hard like me, they'll also become a good officer like me.
The role of active UPSC are main responsibilities.
Our major responsibility of a detailed project generation, which is the SME setting person. They will provide it to the financing institute to get their subsidy and other benefits. And one of the role also involved about creating awareness about the M&E schemes to the people through making giving seminars and organizing workshops. And we work with them, we need a technical. For example, if you are interested in the food processing industry and he wants an idea, they can contact and help me order say to you, we will give them suggestions.
Yes, do you if you get selected?
Yes, I will. I have in the area of regulation. Most of the one. There is I have experienced food regulatory. Most of the food companies are facing how to comply with the food regulatory standards given by our country. And I will help them in complying with our food standards. And I will also help them if they want. If they want, other countries also have their certain food regulations. I will help them in their food. That is my main motto. And if need any take help regarding what of measures they want to select like that, also I will help them.
Next, your part. First is the basic technology. Next one is basic between technology, food chemistry, food biochemistry, food product technology, food engineering. Question.
The basic purpose of food technology, through technology, we can process the food and shelf life, and we can also value add food products to increase value add, so that we can increase price. And for example, if you take corn, if you process it corn, later we can sell a single product in different forms. My answer to the next question: the difference between food technology and other difference. Food technology, it's a general concept that it covers all aspects. While in food chemistry, we deal mostly with the area like vitamins and minerals, that macro micronutrients. About that stuff we study in food chemistry. And food engineering, we mostly machineries which is used in food processing on the heat and mass principle, how they are, and the parameters, certain parameters that machineries has to work to have that ideal condition. About master and other conditions involved are coming under food chemistry. And in food products technology, we study about how we are processing the food products. For example, if you take fruit, how you convert it into jams or jellies, that we study in food product technology.
Yes, good. First is basic point in food technology, nutrition. What is nutrition and how many types of nutritions?
Nutrients, it is two types, sir, micronutrients and macronutrients. This classification is based upon their need. For example, these macronutrients are required in large quantities, while these micronutrients are required in small quantities. Both macronutrients are essential for us to have our body functions proper. For example, carbohydrates as a source of energy, and fat, it is also a highest energy contributor. And protein, it helps in the growth of muscles and that kind of. Vitamins and minerals, they are in small quantities, but the deficiency leads to certain. For example, vitamin D deficiency leads to rickets in children and osteoporosis in adults. Like vitamin C is deficiency leads to which is a problem happens with teeth.
First, nutrition. What is carbohydrate? How many types of carbohydrates?
Carbohydrates is a polyhydric compound which contains carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Here, carbohydrates is based on the basic unit of carbohydrate sugar. So, if it contains single sugar, it is called monosaccharide. If it contains more 2 units of sugars, then it is called as disaccharide. If it contains more than 3, then it is called as polysaccharide, sir. The examples for monosaccharide, it is glucose. For disaccharide, it is sucrose. It is glucose plus fructose. And for polysaccharide, it is uh, galactose, sir.
Yes, glucose, fructose, galactose, starch, cellulose, and lactose. Is what the difference? The follow
Can you repeat your question once?
glucose, fructose, galactose, starch, cellulose, lactose. What are the difference of these terms used in food technology and nutrition?
Sir, I don't remember exact chemical formulas, sir.
What are the difference?
Different glucose monosaccharide starch is it's a polymer of glucose. It contains branch to glucose chains, and galactose is milk, sir. It contains it is a sugar present in milk.
Can you talk? Yes, sucrose. Sucrose is
Yes, sir. So, that is what.
formula of sucrose.
I'm not sure. I'm making guess on this. Sucrose is it C12H2211.
C
C12H2211.
CCH2. C2H2.
Yes, sir.
Protein.
Protein is
protein one by one.
protein is also a biochemical compound which contains amino and carboxyl group in its structure, sir. And protein is joined together by the protein is called amino acid, and amino acid joined together by peptide linkage. Proteins based on proteins are prepared as simple proteins, compound proteins, and derived.
Can you debate? What is it?
Lipids are the biochemical compound which contains fatty acids and glycerols. It's a chain based on the double bond position. This fat are presented into saturated fat and unsaturated fat. This classification saturated and unsaturated is based upon the presence of a bond. Because double bond is called unsaturated, if present that is called saturated fat.
Polymer.
Sir, I can recall example of polymers starch. If the glucose molecules, polymer is basically for monomer. It's a basically repeating in a number of times. It's called polymer. So here, the name comes, I can tell starch as a polymer of glucose units.
The difference in polymer, basic difference.
In if the source of the polymer is any artificial agent, it is called synthetic polymer. The source is like any natural plant-based source, any microbes, it's called natural polymers.
Pigment. How many pigments?
Pigments are responsible for the color specification in our product. Pigments are two types, sir. Natural pigments and artificial pigments. For example, natural pigment we can say chlorophyll, which is present in the leaves, and artificial pigment can say the food colors we are using in the products.
Yes, hemoglobin, erythrocyte, dance.
Pigment is responsible for green color in leaves. Protein which is responsible for the orange color in fruits. Carrot is the green color responsible compound. Lycopene is responsible for color of food. For example, the red color in the pot plant is lycopene. Can you do your question, Sandra?
Myelin, erythrocyte, dance. Application of these.
Globin and these are meat, and the hemoglobin is that iron covered iron carrying compound in blood, and tannins are present in tea products. It's a chemical compound which is astringent flavor for tea. And last but can't recall anything, sir.
Erythrocyte.
That I don't.
Next is food flower. Food flower. Flowers. There is specialty
Uh,
idea. There's an application systems in food technology.
Flavors, through which we can get the aroma of the product, whether it gives the fruity flavor. See that fruity flavor due to the ester-based compounds, and that sometimes the product smells also under this fruit flavors. I can only cover ester fruit flavors. For remaining compounds, I don't like.
The next one is food flavors engine. What is the difference between engine, non-engine?
And basically, enzymes are protein entities where attached to an prosthetic group. It's classified as coenzyme or enzymes. That classification, I can't recall it right now.
Next one is diet. What is diet for human male and female? How much calories per human like male in a day?
So for a person living country, like they should have minimum 20 kilocalories, and there is a concept called ICMR in daily meal. So in that, the person should have at least 300 ml of milk per day, and they should have 20% of carbohydrate, protein in his, and remaining carbohydrates and vegetables in his daily meal plate.
How calorie required? Value of female.
2000 kilocalories. The basic as per ICMR it is 2000 calories.
Yeah, 29 and 83.
Yes.
Next is what amino acid and what acid is amino acid, any type amino acid.
Amino acids are basic units of protein. It is made up of that it depends amino and carboxylic group in structure. An amino acid document is classified into essential amino acids and unessential amino acids. The essential amino acids are not able to synthesize in our body, but they have to get through our. So they are classified essential. Others, there are 9 essential amino acids. There are totally 20 amino acids. So remaining 11 comes under non-essential amino acids.
Fatty acid, any type fatty acid.
Fatty acids are coming under lipid category. Based on its Bullman's presentation, fatty acid is classified into saturated fats and trans fats.
Yes. Next, vitamin. Vitamin. How many type of vitamin?
Yes, vitamins, based upon its water solubility nature and solubility, it is classified into water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins. Actually, vitamin B complex and D group is water soluble because of its solubility nature, but and remaining vitamin A, D, E, and K are fat soluble. Enzyme is essential for our body to have balance. If this balance is reduced, it will lead to deficiency in vitamins.
Yes, fat soluble and water soluble.
Fat soluble vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, and water soluble vitamins are vitamin B complex and vitamin C.
Yes. Right. Next is what is nutrients and nutrients.
Nutrients are essential for our body to carry out activities in our body. These are also chemical compounds which affects absorption in our body. For example, 5 times standing supplements are under nutritional factors. If it is not properly removed through soaking, germination, and other techniques, it destroys the absorption of these vitamins in our body.
Next is microbiology. What is the definition of food microbiology?
To food microbiology, we study the microorganisms, both its built and spoilage nature. It's built in the fermentation area, and spoilage will lead to decrease that product shelf life. So through microbiology, we get to know about how it grows, and so we can know the processing that will suit to reduce it. So.
Next is toxin microbes in food microbiology.
Aflatoxin is one example of microbial toxin which is produced by Aspergillus players fungi variety, which is really found in nut cities.
Next is food is
Food spoils, the food product is contaminated or it had any microbial growth, so that its quality is compromised and the also spoils. Mostly, if any microbial growth happens, then food spoils. If certain products require certain condition, if not stored properly, in that time also spoils occurs.
a job of spoilage.
You can the fungal products and next one. The branch of oil products are examples of spoilage.
Next is fermented. What example of fermented in our food industry?
Fermented food, usually in our food products, it contains lactic acid bacteria. Can occur in one example of fermented food, which we here these lactobacillus species, lactobacillus species, formed. Curd is coming from. Fermentation involves microbes. Fermentation technology, we use microbes to produce byproducts, which is very fast.
Yes, food that is so it was alcohol. Yes, what is the difference between beer or made?
And there are two fermentation used. Based on the types we use. So beer is classified into ale and lager. Ale is top beers are used. Lager is one bottom fermenting yeast are used. In wine, I'm not recalling which microorganism is involved in wine. Basically, I can recall in wine in raw material. Here in wine we mostly use grapes. When there we use malted seeds.
Yes, alcohol. Yes, wine is 6% of alcohol and to beer is 3 to 5%. Alcohol getting beer. And food technology, the basic essence of technology is offensive. That
Um, Food product technology, where we can, for example, from we have we get this bread, bread it involves we are making dough and we will allow it to little bake and we get soft based product. And in this it's the raw materials here also that temperature conditions are very separate and this.
yes. What is packaging metal? What packaging metal? How many types of packaging metals are there in the market? In the market. What are the benefits in industry?
Packaging material, which means the substance which we use to wrap our products. And there are different types of packaging materials like glass, metal cans, plastic wrappers, pouches, aluminum foil. These are different types of packaging. And advantages and disadvantages. Each company has certain advantages and disadvantages. For example, glass is easy we can what said, but it is easy to handle and sometimes it will lead to breakage. Like the metal cans is also beneficial. You can use it in mining process like that. Sometimes if you are not using proper lacquering, then that also lead to food poison. Industrial can easily manufacture the you can easily manufacture, but their reposition is very limited, also affecting our sustainable. So our governments take initiative, they are banning single plastics and they are encouraging us to use recycled plastic material. This should also have to be forbidden so that we can use in food products packaging.
Yes, next food vegetable product. Food and vegetable product like ketchup, soya sauce, tomatoes, potato chips, when I waste on food history.
Potatoes will take the potatoes we grate, our need will grate it, we will cut it and we'll fry in oil and then we'll pack it in the package. And soy sauce, we will take soybeans and we will bomb, so we will get a brown steep liquor called soy sauce. And ketchup, we will take tomatoes and we will process it. And we tomato ketchup, we have to make certain pieces to call it like ketchup.
Jelly, what is jelly?
Jams and these are obtained from food products are mostly here based upon its practices differences. The total molecule solids, the jams and jellies are these. Mostly jams, jelly are transparent in nature, while jams not that much transparent in nature.
Yes. Food related points like SI, IRA, mark, the management and right.
The organization FSI,
IS.
yes. First one FSI are the apex food regulator of country, and they have aid anti-food regulations covering area food products, and they have SI Act to control the food related activity in the country. And ACMA is for 227 agricultural produce, and it is like a sign which usually we can see in related products. It comes under Ministry of Agriculture Department. IS it is comes under Bureau of Indian Standards. The IS standards is mandate